Hello everyone, my name is Kamlesh and today's date is 8th December 2022, and today we will going to discuss on the topic that is hierarchy of exception handling in Java. So whenever we talking in about the exception handling, so exception handling is the one of the powerful mechanism to handle the exception at the runtime. That means we can maintain the flow of our APIs. When the when the error can occurs in our APIs, that can we will using the uh, exception handling mechanism, we will maintain the flow of our program. So now the hierarchy of exception handling in Java, there is a throwable is the root class of that the exception hierarchy exception class. So the throwable class can inherit by these two subclasses. That is first is a exception and second is a error. So these two are implements the throwable class. Now the what actually the exception and what is the error. So exception is the whenever we write the program, that time the some users can unexpected and abnormal situation are provided in the our program, or that can be disturbed our program in the runtime. That is the exception. So when in our program that the our flow can be abnormally disturbed by the some exception, that is known as a exception. And error is nothing but a abnormal situation, that is a some of the serious or risky code in our program. That time we will need to we cannot the user cannot handle that code by using the exception handling, and some of the error can handle by the normal exception handling. So now in exception there are number of exceptions like IO exception, runtime exception, then index out of bound exception, then class not found exception. Like that uh, in errors are like a stack overflow error, then virtual machine error, linkage error, like that the out of memory error. These are error in occurs in the error. Now there in Java can provide us a exception handling. So like exception handling like a try catch block, then throw, then throws block, and finally block. So we will use this block to handle the exception, and we will maintain our flow of program. So we can write the risky code in try and the remaining code in catch block. So if our program is 10 lines in and exception occurs in any 6 or 5 lines, then we will write that code in try block and remaining code in catch block. That's why the exception can negligible and remaining code will going to execute it. Right now the throw block we will use by the we can throw the exception in our program, and now we can using the finally block. We will once we can finalize the block, that time whenever there is a exception occur or not, maybe not occur, the block will be going to executed. So that is all about the our today's our topic, hierarchy of exception handling in Java. So thank you.